All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, classify the function as even, odd, or neither. Okay, so a couple little rules we need to know here before we jump into it. The way we do this is, I guess the first thing you do is you need to, you're going to test this with, instead of x, you're going to use negative x. So if I put that in, I'm going to rewrite my function like this. I'm going to say f of negative x, okay, and I'm going to rewrite it. And whenever I resubstitute in this negative x, I want to use parentheses. This is just good practice to make sure nothing bad happens, especially if you're using your calculator, because it will read it wrong if you don't use your parentheses. Okay, there you go. I rewrote it. This is looking at my function. And so what we do here, for classifying as either odd or neither, it basically works like this. If you stick in a negative x instead of an x and re-simplify, if it is exactly what you started with, in other words, if f of x is the exact same as f of negative x, then you say it is even. Okay, it would be even. If you put it in and every sign changed, like positives became negatives, negatives became positives, then it would be odd. And if it was a mix of the two, it'd be neither. So let's just see what happens here. You could write this out, 19 times negative x times negative x times negative x times negative x times negative x, but you really don't have to do that. You can just kind of follow the pattern, the negative positive patterns, because negative x times negative x is positive x. Positive x times x is negative x. Negative x times negative x times negative x is positive x, and then positive x times negative x is negative x. So this whole thing would become negative x, right? So that's like saying this. F of negative x, this one would be negative 19x to the fifth. Okay, so let's use the same idea here. Negative x to the third, so negative, positive, negative. That's how it works, negative, positive, negative. And then a negative times a negative, this negative 3x becomes positive. So I'd say positive 3x to the third. And then this one, actually there's no x, so there's no negative put in, so actually nothing changes. So now let's go back and check what we just said. So this was positive 19, now it is negative 19. Ooh, it changed. This was negative 3, now it's positive 3. Ooh, it changed. We're on the pathway for odd. But then we have 17 and 17. Nothing changed. So remember, if it were exactly the same, it would be even. If everything had changed, right, then it would be odd. And because it's just a mix, we would say it is neither. And there you go. That is your answer. As always, please let me know if you have any questions or comments or need clarifications. I'll do my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, if this video helped you and you want to be notified when I make more videos to help you, go ahead and subscribe below. All right, thank you. Bye.